pawpaw. This is called papaya. Okay, so you have to use a very ripe pawpaw so you could, blend it. Now pawpaw contains a lot of vitamins, one of which in that we need so much is vitamin C, that helps to give the skin a lot of nutrients, and it's also a great deal in lightening up the skin. It therefore helps also for the body because it's filled you up, and then you are gonna be losing a lot of weight. Okay, first we're gonna be cutting the pawpaw. Okay, we're gonna cut that in cubes. So after that is done, we're going to be blending the pawpaw, so we're going to transfer that into a blender. Now the next one we're going to be needing is apple. Now you can use any apple, guys, be it green or red. Any of the apple is going to be perfect for you to use for this. Alright, now apple contains citric acids, and it helps also for the body. It gives the skin nutrients, and it also helps in polishing up the skin. Now we're going to be working on preparing the apple, and now we're just going to be taking just a little piece of apple. Get rid of the seed. Just this little will be okay. Cut that in cubes. Then we'll transfer that into the blender. The next one we're going to be using is lemon. Alright guys, so here in Africa our lemons are usually green. Okay, so because I know and then we're gonna be needing orange. Alright guys, so our own local orange is green also, so every vegetable seems to be green. Anyways, orange is the #1 remedy for lightening of the skin because it is loaded and packed with vitamin C that helps for the body and also for the skin. So using this in replacement for bleaching injection or cream is going to be ideal. All right. And for the orange, we're going to be needing the water. The orange juice, so I'm going to be squeezing it in. Alright, so the back of this orange is actually kind of strong, So I'm gonna be asking my man to help me squeeze. Okay, maybe help me squeeze pickle. We're going to be getting rid of the seed. Obviously, we actually do not need the seeds of the lemon. Hold on. All right, so now we're going to go blend this, and we'll be right back. All right guys, so it's properly blended and it looks really friendly. And now this is what you need to take instead of a bleaching cream. Okay, so if you take this smoothie every morning for the space of few weeks, I mean, you are going to enjoy the way your skin is gonna be like, okay, because it's going to glow, it's gonna be beautiful, and your skin is going to get lighter and it's gonna get so super duper glowing, and the taste is wonderful too. Let me have a drink. The taste is really very friendly and very easy to drink. Okay, so it's something that you can drink and enjoy. All right, so go try it and do this. Take this instead of bleaching cream or bleaching injection. You are going to be loving your skin. Now you shouldn't you can actually make it and store it inside the refrigerator, and you're going to be enjoying your juice or smoothie.